Welcome back to RevCheck, where today we dive into the most unexpected yet exhilarating collaboration of luxury and mobility, the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome. If you've ever imagined a Bugatti beyond the racetrack or outside the velvet ropes of exotic car shows, then prepare to have your expectations shattered. This isn't just a motorhome, it's the hypercar of the RV world, crafted with the same precision, extravagance, and aerodynamic intelligence that made Bugatti a legend in automotive history. And in 2025, Bugatti has dared to do what no supercar manufacturer has done before: reimagine the luxury RV, at first glance. The 2025 Bugatti Motorhome looks like something out of a futuristic design expo. The front fascia carries that unmistakable horseshoe, grille widened and reworked to accommodate the sheer mass of the RV, but it still screams Bugatti DNA. Sleek LED matrix headlights blend into the carbon fiber body panels that run across a sculpted, wind tunnel-tested exterior. Unlike traditional boxy RVs, this one has a teardrop silhouette that cuts through air with the grace of a Chiron on the auto. At 36 feet long and just over 8 feet wide, it may share the dimensions of a luxury coach, but every inch of it has been optimized for aerodynamic efficiency and high-speed stability. Underneath all that beauty lies an engineering marvel. The Bugatti Motorhome doesn't settle for diesel or hybrid like other RV assets. Powered by a next-generation quad-turbo W16 hybrid drivetrain, a detuned version of what you'd find in their supercars, paired with an advanced plug-in electric system and a 240 kilowatt-hours battery pack, this motorhome generates over 1,100 horsepower and achieves a top speed of 155 miles per hour, governed, of course, for safety. But it's not just about speed. Bugatti has integrated active suspension and torque vectoring from their hypercars, making this the most stable RV on the road, even during high-speed lane changes or tight mountain turns. And yes, it features all-wheel drive with intelligent terrain adaptation. You can take this beast from Monaco to the Alps without breaking a sweat. Step inside, and it's nothing short of Versailles on wheels. Bugatti has collaborated with elite interior designers to create a space that redefines opulence. The cabin is lined with handcrafted French leather, brushed aluminum, Italian marble countertops, and ambient lighting that adapts to mood, time of day, and location. There's no plastic anywhere, just artisan-quality materials wrapped around futuristic functionality. The living space includes a full-length reclining sofa made from memory foam and carbon fiber, a 75-inch OD display that rises from the console at the touch of a Bugatti engraved button, and a fireplace with simulated flame technology that even gives off a subtle warmth. The kitchen is a masterpiece on its own, equipped with meal-smart appliances, a wine chiller, touchless faucets, and a dual induction cooktop with a holographic display that walks you through recipes. All the cabinetry opens electronically with soft close magnetized motion. The dinette transforms into a digital workspace with pop-up screens, biometric security for private files, and an AI assistant named Elon built on Bugatti's in-house neural interface system. The bedroom isn't a luxury suite with a full king-size bed, climate-controlled mattress, a 270-degree panoramic smart window with electrochromic tinting, and a retractable skylight with auto-shading. You can literally fall asleep under the stars or wake up to sunrise views in the Alps with a single voice command. The bathroom features a rainfall shower with aromatherapy diffusion, a Japanese-style smart toilet, and heated stone flooring. Everything is controlled via a central command interface embedded in the walls, or wirelessly through the companion app. From a tech perspective, the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is loaded with innovations you won't find in any other RV. We're talking about Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities specifically tuned for highway cruising, intelligent obstacle avoidance in urban or camp environments, and adaptive route planning that factors in road grade, weather, and real-time charging stations. Yes, charging, because this isn't just a hybrid, it's Bugatti's first real step into the electrified future. You get up to 300 miles of electric-only range, and the entire undercarriage is covered in solar panels capable of generating 8 kilowatts under full sun, enough to keep the living systems running indefinitely off-grid. Bugatti also includes a dedicated drone port at the rear. This isn't gimmicky, it's a fully automated drone platform capable of short-range scouting, whether tracking or delivering supplies when you're camping off the grid. There's also a rear garage because, of course, there is that houses a limited edition Bugatti NanoEV scooter or even a compact TV designed to match the RV's styling. Every detail has been accounted for, even down to the scent profile inside the motorhome, which is automatically adjusted by zone to enhance comfort and relaxation. From a practicality standpoint, Bugatti has tried to blend form with function. Storage is intelligently hidden behind motorized panels. Water tanks are modular and monitored with real-time sensors that alert you before refills are needed. The roof includes an extendable terrace with built-in seating and invisible railing, the system, and a retractable awning that doubles as a solar shade. It's perfect for those who want to experience nature without giving up an ounce of refinement. And, in case you're wondering, yes, it's fully winterized with heated tanks and walls lined with aerogel insulation, ensuring the same comfort level whether you're in Dubai or the Yukon. Now, let's talk numbers. The base model of the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome starts at an astronomical $5 million, with customization packages easily pushing it past $7 million. This isn't for your average weekend camper, it's for heads of state, billionaires, tech moguls, or royalty. And yet, every unit is made to order with individual consultations, wind tunnel tests, and personalized delivery experiences. Each Bugatti Motorhome even comes with a dedicated concierge team that offers roadside support, upgrade consultations, and annual reconditioning for the life of the vehicle. Asterisk on the road, it's surprisingly quiet. Active noise cancellation in the cabin combined with adaptive acoustic panels means you don't hear the engine, wind, or tire roar. The ride is buttery smooth, thanks to multi-axis air suspension with predictive road scanning. Drivers can enjoy one of 3 custom modes: Grand Tour, Urban Comfort, and Hyperglide. Each one adjusts power delivery, suspension stiffness, steering input, and cabin acoustics to match your mood and destination. Asterisk. So, is the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome over the top? Absolutely. Is it practical for most people? Not even close. But is it a technological and artistic marvel? Without question. Bugatti didn't build this for mass appeal, they built it to make a statement. That statement is clear. The future of luxury mobility isn't just faster, it's more intelligent, more elegant, and more extraordinary than anything we've seen before. Asterisk. Thanks for riding along with us today on RevCheck. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most opulent RV, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. If money was no object, would you take the Bugatti Motorhome around the world? Until next time, drive smart, camp bold, and stay curious. Asterisk.